All right, Chad, we got this customer just dropped off this track bike, 2017 Suzuki SV650 that he got from his buddy. Been crashed several times. He wants to try to make it cleaner and put new body work. So we'll start right here because it's obvious. Got driven rear sets. These are damaged. It ripped the wires out of the quick shifter. They have GP shifting on it too, so it's 1 up 5. It's 1 up 5 down the way they have this set up. We're gonna have to rig up this linkage and specialize the linkage, right? Okay. He's supplying the track day tires. We're reusing this tail section. We're reusing the gas tank, and we're gonna reuse the front fender. Okay. Now he supplied us with new Hot Bodies race body kit. Upper and lower. He brought me an Amazon windscreen that doesn't remotely fit the race bodywork, but he wants us to cut it and use it. You see these on all the new MotoGP bikes, little wind deflector diffuser. These have to be color matched. These are side frame covers, which it doesn't even have on here now, which fits like that, and that'll help us because he wants to mimic this to a MotoGP Suzuki bike of a Gixxer.
More paint area.
Yeah, more decals. So these get color matched, and there's his Amazon sticker kit, which he said looks like it's made for a pit bike. It's like everything is teeny. So he might have got a sticker kit for a pit bike. If not, we'll duplicate a vinyl. Okay. It's got brake lines that are routed wrong. There should be 2 at the master cylinder going down, splitting over to the calipers. They did a crazy jump over here, zip tied, which is not straight. The master cylinder is pushed down, and the master cylinder hits the bodywork when you turn, which is unsafe. This being a track bike, he wants new brake pads all the way around. Now this has a more modern Gixxer front end on it looks like. These are Brembo radial mount calipers. They're all safety wired, but somebody already drilled the safety wires out. These are all titanium bolt safety wires, so somebody spent some money. Those bolts are expensive. So we just got to identify the brake pads on this, and then on the Brembo master cylinder back, I don't recognize it. And oil change and coolant. And he's not in a hurry. I think we look for a Suzuki fender in the back when we get to the bodywork. I might have one, because this thing is just, I'm looking at it, it's shattered on the side and everything. If we have one, we'll try to go with one of our fenders, stock fenders on there. And he just wants a general once-over. He says this thing is, it's been ridden hard and put away. So, new winter project for 2023 running in 2024. If you want to skim the tank right there, just to make that little ding, just a quick, but it's cool, something different. Go from a custom bagger to a track bike, to a hill climbing bike, to a stunt riding bike, to a metric bagger conversion. So, it's cool. All right, let's get in the back, tear it apart, and get the process started. Let's do it. All right. That's it. Okay, so starting to pre-fit the customer's aftermarket race bodywork. So we got the upper mounted on there. Got the belly pan ready to go on. Did identify a few issues on this bike that we're going to be taking care of. So we got some new driven rear sets coming for these damaged ones, a new quick shift. Brakes coming all the way around. Otherwise we did determine that this had the wrong clutch cable in there. They still had the original clutch cable, which this bike came with clip-on handlebar style, like BMX style. So the clutch line is about 8 inches too long. We're gonna refit that and then get this into the paint department. Painter's ready to fit the rest of this and get into the booth. We did find him a good used fender out of our used supply warehouse here. So we'll see you back after this mock-up. We'll be in paint. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.